This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kelly Watson. Beautiful like new home in the highly sought after lakefront community of Atwater Landing. This move-in ready 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home sits on a private fence lot that backs up to a wooded community common area. Open floor plan with 9-foot ceilings and Revwood flooring on the first floor, office and dining room, currently being used as a playroom, kitchen with white cabinets, subway tile backsplash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and walk-in pantry, all opening to large great room with gas fireplace. Upstairs provides 3 secondary bedrooms, all with walk-in closets, loft area and a large owner's suite with vaulted ceiling and oversized walk-in closet. Backyard with extended patio, play set, garden boxes and privacy walls. Blinds throughout. Extended driveway. Smart home features. All this within walking distance from an amazing planned amenities center with playground, clubhouse, pool and canoe/kayak launch on the shores of Lake Norman. This is a home you don't want to miss. For more information,